What do we call frozen H2O? Ice. How many millimeters are in 1 centimeter? Ten. Which country invented gunpowder? China. Which organ helps us pump blood? Heart. What city is the capital of Japan? Tokyo. What is another word for happy? Joyful. In which city is the Eiffel Tower located? Paris. What is the result of 8 times 6? "48." Which country is famous for sushi? Japan. Which doctor takes care of teeth? Dentist. What is the medical name for low blood pressure? Hypotension. How many inches are in 1 foot? "12." Which country started the Industrial Revolution? England. On which continent is Brazil located? South America. How many months have 31 days? Seven. What does WHO stand for? World Health Organization. Which food has a lot of vitamin C? Orange. What is 56 divided by 8? 7. What is the capital city of Canada? Ottawa. What is Japan's main language? Japanese. Which app is used for posting short videos? TikTok. What is the largest organ in the human body? Skin. Which country grows the most rice? China. Cairo is the capital of which country? Egypt. How many chambers does the human heart have? Four. What is the biggest planet in our solar system? Jupiter. Which animal can live both in water and on land? Frog. Which country is known as the land of fire and ice? Iceland. Which country is famous for pizza and pasta? Italy. How long can a person live without food? Three weeks. Where is the Great Wall located? China. On which continent can Argentina be found? South America. What is the main language spoken in Brazil? Portuguese. Which ancient people built the Great Wall? Chinese. Which doctor works with the brain and nerves? Neurologist. What is the scientific term for hair loss? Alopecia. What is a normal body temperature in Celsius? (37 degrees). Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. Which fruit is eaten the most worldwide? Banana. Which country's flag has a red maple leaf? Canada. Which country has the highest life expectancy? Japan. Which language is most spoken in South America? Spanish. Who founded Microsoft? Bill Gates. Where can someone see the northern lights? Iceland. Which sea separates Europe and Africa? Mediterranean Sea. How many hours are there in 2 days? (48). Which country invented the telephone? Scotland. What is the main role of protein? Build muscles. About how many continents are there on Earth? Seven. What sport is known as the king of sports?
Football, soccer. How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Keep your brain active and check out our next quiz video right now.